Hi, this is Tim McCain, Donnelly Ford Galleon. We just took in this 22 GMC Denali. I'm going to take you over here and show you some things I like about this vehicle. Let's head on over this way. Well, the first thing I like about it is 6.2 liter V8. Man, who doesn't like a big block? Come down here, check out the cool, stylish wheels. 22 inchers. We take a step on the inside. Next thing I like about it is got massage seats. So a lot of misunderstanding on massage seats. It actually stimulates the blood flow to keep you more alert while you're taking those long trips. Another thing I like about the vehicle, got the big screen there. One thing you can't see is the heads-up display, but it shows you what direction you're headed, what the speed is, and what speed limit is if you got the navigation. Also got the moonroofs. Another thing I like about it, Bose sound system. Man, that's listen to your favorite music on those Bose sound system. Deployable running boards. Another thing I like, this one does have a nice cover on it. Another really cool factor is does have the tailgate step. And this vehicle actually has the tailgate step, but it also has the kicker sound system built in. Just Bluetooth your phone to it, play your favorite music. You and your buddies are out fishing, get your favorite music playing, or hey, take your wife or girlfriend out on a romantic picnic and you got some music right there. Hey, come and check out this vehicle at Donnelly Ford Galleon today and make it a great day.